This tutorial video is actually a snippet of a much larger video where I actually go to IKEA, find all the products and then review them. If you want to watch that video, I've put a link in the pinned description. If you only want the tutorial, stick around. Hope you enjoy it. Apparently getting this thing set up is quite easy. Let's find out if it's got PoE. So this is connected to a PoE connector. No, it doesn't look like it. That's a shame. IKEA, come on. That's an easy win. Right, let's put it in properly then. Yeah, there we go. Now it's got a power. So supposedly setting this up in the app is actually quite straightforward. Let's go in, add hub new. Yep, done all that. Yep, done all that. Done all that. Wait for the ring light to make a full circle. Is that a full ring? The ring light will pulse when the hub is ready, so it's definitely not ready. Come on. Ooh. It's flashing. My hub is ready. I didn't find any hubs. Sometimes it needs a little nudge to get going. We found your hub. Just need a little nudge. Well, this is thrilling content. That just went from 16% to 93%. This number means nothing. They obviously learned how to do progress markers from Microsoft. Ooh, only a few minutes remaining. I don't believe you. Time to confirm your hub. Press the action button on the back. Boom! Action! Give your home a name. Let's add some rooms. Let's add a living room, and a bedroom, and a kitchen, and a dining room, and an office, and an entryway, and done. We need to prepare your hub. I thought it had prepared. I thought that's what I was waiting for. I'm guessing this is a firmware update. Ooh, that wasn't too bad. Thread network ready. Add a product to your home. There's the QR code. So let's scan the QR code. So I'm starting off with the contact sensor, the door and window sensor. Nice work. Let's get connected.
One eternity later.
Unable to have the success rate. It's your product on both sides, IKEA. It's your hub. It's your sensor. This shouldn't happen. I think all of the issues might be true. Let's try this again. Hub connection loss. It found it this time. Excellent. Right, okay, where shall I put this one? Let's put this in the pantry. Pantry door. That was a needlessly challenging setup. Pantry door is open. Pantry door is closed. They're open, closed. They're open, closed. Okay. It only works on one side, but that is how contact sensors generally work. I can live with that. Let's try connecting one of their old buttons. So now I've definitely got a Thread device connected. So if this still works, it does mean that it has got a dual radio, which is actually quite impressive if it does. Search for a product, remotes, Striber, looking in some remote locations. That is actually quite fun. One product found. I'm not going to lie, I'm impressed. All right, fair play IKEA. So this is legitimately a dual protocol hub. It's not either or, it is actually both. Hope that was useful. If it is, don't forget to give me a like and hit subscribe. Also, if you like the t-shirt I'm wearing, you can check it out on shop.foxyslab.com. See you in the next one. Ciao.